Hey friends, if you wish to change default printing preferences on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now by default you cannot do this. Why? Because Windows has been set to choose the default printer by itself or choose any printer by itself. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and select printers and scanners. Now I'll show you on this printer that there is an option to remove it. This is the only flexibility that you get, but you cannot set it as a default printer or change other preferences. So you can scroll down and uncheck this box which says let Windows manage my default printer. Then scroll up and click on the printer, and then you can set it as a default printer. Okay. Other than this, you can scroll down and click on printing preferences, and then you can change the printing preferences. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.